Are you coming to UK for study? Let's break down the cost what you will be spending each month as a student. From renting to travel to food and other sneaking expenses. Let's see what you spend every month. Let's break down. Let's move to point number 1, renting. If you get a room with a shared family, like it will be a house which has 3 rooms and you will get 1 room, it will cost you around £400 to £450. And if you are sharing the room with someone else, like 2 persons in a room, then it will cost you around £250. But if you prefer privacy, then a studio apartment which will have open plan kitchen and 1 room and 1 toilet, it will cost you around £650. But you have to pay bills as well, like electricity, water, council tax, because for studio it is not included. And but on the other hand, if you are sharing it with a family or get a shared house, then most of the time they include the council tax and everything, bills in that £450. So the second major expense is the food. So if you cook food at home or cook by yourself, then it will cost you around £250 a month. But on the other hand, if you are getting the meal from some restaurant or takeaway, then a single meal will cost you around £6 to £7. So let's make it twice a day. So you at least twice a day. So it will cost you around £12 to £13 a day. So monthly it will be like £350. So if you want to save the budget, then try to cook at home. It's healthy as well. Let's say if you include drinks and mobile top-ups, then every month it will cost you around £70. So keep £70 separate for snacks, drinks like cold drinks, gums. You need these things sometime because you are not eating properly. You are going to job every morning, then coming back home late, then attending university. So keep these like mobile top-ups. So roughly it will cost you £20 a month. So I think it's consider it in total £80 to £90. So in total it will be like £1,100 to £1,150 for a student if you are living in a studio apartment, and around £1,000, £800 to £1,000 if you are living with a family in a shared house, or if you are sharing a room with someone else.